What's the meaning of aftershock? Aftershock. 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 An aftershock is a smaller earthquake that occurs after a larger one, usually in the same area. These secondary earthquakes happen as the tectonic plates under the Earth's surface adjust to the changes caused by the initial quake. Aftershocks can cause additional damage to buildings and infrastructure already weakened by the main shock, prolonging the recovery process. They can also cause fear and anxiety among people who have already experienced the trauma of the first earthquake. Understanding the likelihood and potential impact of aftershocks is an important aspect of earthquake preparedness and response.